What are you doing, Jasper? Are you bird watching for the birds? Because I know lately we've been getting a lot of birds flying through here. I don't know if they're flying to the warm weather. You want to go to the warm weather too, Jasper? He's ignoring me. Look at him. Yeah, look at him. He's just paying attention to what he's seeing outside. He love it. I don't blame him, because I like what I see too. I like to enjoy what I see, the sun, yeah, sun ray that I feel in my face when it's sunny outside. Sunny and cold. Anywho, my friends, have a lovely day. Remember, a blossom as a butterfly or as a flower. Remember that you are special and enough, and the man upstairs, who I call God, loves you like I know he loves me. So take care, my friends. Subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, bye.